Oh boy, I can't wait to see which one it is. So I haven't been able to catch. Oh, I think this is my green train. Yeah, it's green. It's a green train. Oh, look at that. That's amazing. So freaking cool. I gotta back up now. All right, it's coming. It's 108, or is it 801? No, it's 108. That's my train. Here it comes. Oh, you can hear the bells. Oh, I see it. There it is. Whoa, it's a single engine. There it goes. Oh, number is 772 or 776. So cool. It's gonna go around that corner. There's a bend over there. Gonna watch it go around the corner. Don't worry, I do this all the time. With an adult. My dad's just waiting on me. Alright. Ready to watch it go around the corner? My hands are still shaking. Oh, it's about to go around the corner. There it goes. There it goes. It's going around the corner. It's going. There it goes. Oh, there it goes. It went around. Going around the corner. Wait, is it stopped? It stopped. Oh no, wait, there it goes. Look at it going around the corner. Wow. Well, this video was produced by Jack's Video Stuff, and I hope you liked it.